Yes, welcome to my channel once again. In this video, I'll show you one simple basic VBA code using which we can fill the cells with serial numbers of desired range. Viewers, whoever is watching this video, please remember that you must have some basic programming language knowledge so that you can understand this concept easily. So let's get started. So let me show you one simple example first. Here on this sheet 1 I have created a button. So let's see what happens when I click that button. So first I am selecting one cell somewhere on the sheet. Click on that button which displays a dialog box asking you to enter some value. So I'll enter some 10. Click on OK. So immediately it fills the selected range with the serial numbers. This is fast and efficient, isn't it? So let's see from the scratch. How do we do this? So here is the new workbook which I have opened. We have nothing in this. So let's get started of VB coding. Just click on Developer tab, click on Visual Basic. Alternatively, you can also press Alt plus F11 on the keyboard to get this window open. Now click on Insert. Select Module, which gives us this VBA coding area. Here, any VBA coding is started with some subroutine, that is SUB, and followed by some name. Or you can even type the relevant name of the code. Hit enter. Now declare a variable with dim keyword as integer, because our concept is to create serial numbers. Number is an integer, that's why I have created a variable of integer type. Now I is equals to input box, enter any value. Quotations close, hit enter. So I initiated the I value with some input. Whatever the user gives the input 10, 20, 30, it will get saved in that variable. So in this way I initiated the I value. Then we will have to use the for loop. For loop is a statement which will repeatedly executes set of statements within it as long as the condition is met. Suppose if I am going to use like this, I is equals to 1 to I, then active cell dot value is equals to I, active cell dot offset dot activate. Next I. So here what happens, let us say for example I have given input as 5, then I will be 5. I starts with 1, stops at 5. When it starts with 1, it selects one active cell and places the I value in it, that is I1 is saved in one of the active cell. Then cursor moves to the next cell using this offset 1 comma 0, 1th column 0th row, 1th row 0th column. So automatically with this offset, selection changes to the next cell and gets activated. So with this statement, next control passes to here, where I value will become 2 in this case, assigned to the activated cell. Then again selection moves to the down by this statement called offset 1 comma 0, 1th row 0th column. Similarly, the process of execution continues till I value becomes 5. Once the I value becomes 5, it exits from the loop and program ends. Let me show you the execution. Control S to save this program. Close. I'll create a button using insert, button form control, select a form control button, select this macro which I have recorded, click on OK. So you can even type a name here. Any name or relevant name. Now select an empty cell, click on this button. Here I got enter any value. Microsoft Excel is the title. Now I'll type here 5, click on OK. Automatically the numbers will get added. This looks pretty good, isn't it? Now let me add one more time, 50. Automatically within fraction of seconds, entire column will get added with the list of selected rings. So this is how we can do programming of automatically adding serial numbers in a selected column. This code is very simple and easy, isn't it? Hope you understood the concept of adding serial numbers using VB code. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Do subscribe to my channel